to say something to you guys was I wanted to introduce himself to you, and you have direct access to him with any information you need. You see, sometimes information is not passed on to you all in the industry. This is the gentleman that is going to help you get there. And I'd just like to give Azman like a minute to say something to you guys. Terima kasih, Dato. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sedikit saya Azman Ismail. Sekarang memegang jawatan sebagai Ketua Unit Pengelolaan Industri di Sarawak untuk menggantikan dia bercakap Cik Arwah Cik Hafizan. So betul lah, apa yang sekiranya ada nak tanya boleh jumpa atau direct dengan saya ataupun tak ada nombor saya boleh bagi, boleh saya 014. Take Islam down. Ini sangat penting di Sarawak. Because we're going to go out explain shortly what our direction is in Sarawak. 014 321 0583. Saya ulang 014 321 0587. Jadi mungkin ada sekian perkongsian atau pertanyaan boleh tanya dengan saya ataupun saya tanya nanti saya nak dekat Dinas Sarawak pun nak jumpa ke apa ke boleh aja. Itu juga kalau saya tak macam masa sorry saya boleh put spot ya. Okay, back to the question. Okay. The ecosystem of content in Sarawak is you basically obviously funding is a very important key to making your content as well. That's why we are feeding. That's why we have the BKK, we have Direction 12. There's a lot of grants out there. Well, last year we actually put in about 2 to 3 million just for Sarawak and 2 to 3 million just for Sabah. Usually what we all used to do is you go to Semenanjung in the pitch and you don't even know what's going to happen. It's a 50-50 chance that you spend money, fly there and so on. I said this the previous time I sat on the stage in Beijing. We changed that. We allowed for the team to pitch here, so you have minimal costs. Secondly is we allocated specific budget for Sarawak. So the Sarawak companies will receive the grant. You're not competing with Semenanjung. That's the first thing. Second part is marketing your content internationally to get it out. Number one is your content has to have value. Okay? We must admit, there's some content that has value, there's some content doesn't come out. This again, I say, is in every country around the world, including the US, including India, and all of the big countries, China and so on. So we are no different. Yeah? So we have viewed films, especially in the Rafi and Project Down, has viewed films that sometimes goes, oh, wow, it's a filmmaker himself, but he doesn't shoot it down. Obviously he has his point of view. And then there are films that are great films that come out of Malaysia. You know what I mean? Chocolate Motor was a film that made an impact as well, you know what I mean, from the Bollywood side. That is the uniqueness of how this film is being told as well. Now, how we market the films is through markets where freelance goes to. Yes, it costs a lot of money for you to market that film. Go out to Cannes, or goes to Midcom, or goes to ATF, or goes to Busan, and so on. But when freelance goes, the information needs to be translated so you guys can put the film in so somebody can carry your film even if you can't afford it. So I'm talking about the business side here, the business side. This is how we want to